We welcome you to this urgent press conference. This is a press conference by Northerners in the Kumau constituency.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Our friends, our northern friends, our Kumau constituency, Omega rough. Nah, John Mejano. What was that? NDC and the party, no, a complete reset. Now, on the Bible cracker say, before you tell your neighbor say they should remove the speck in their eyes, no, remove your own first. Look into your own eyes and see if there are nothing bigger. That is also very obvious. Man for to me say chale who issue or problem. And so now we catch up people for say also call yes say. Now yeah for our more NDC mono. They didn't read that part. And see preoccupant I'm sorry and I'm catch Ghana for you say on mine no here and reset. On mine no here and reset okay. You say the power na mamu. Say mo reset mo promise you know. Starting na yen share. After there, just to realize that NDC party na kasa na yen reset. Na on say DC selection has started on my name. Oko voter region now. Almost all the constituencies so far, districts in Iowa voter region, they have had their DCs approved and all those things. Oko other regions in so Kumasi na Kumau for the Omega. Na kofa Omega Kumau no nordiness. You see, businessman be out in a sika sponsor NDC or Kumau constituency nemono. Or see over his dead body say Obia offering northern region babe DDC or Kumau. Now, I won't say, your mind be you are all inclusive. Uko Ashanti region na, obiti se onabo muntaka. Aye na ye ni route se ni route and share that free Ashanti region per se. Oye MP or Kumasi or Ashanti region. And say ideally there, we were all inclusive people. But that tribalism we know, started with NDC. Started with NDC. Now, on more flag bearer than a president, say, John Dramani Mahama, he spearheaded this whole agenda about tribalism. Okay, say, MPP for the Omumpinima Nodina, Embe Yomu flag bearer. Right? You're proving wrong, but still, this is saying, it's not surprising, say, Nkophobia or more party, Nema, Mudio Musika, Boa, a buying Boa party, they say, Muso, or Mudio Muhijim, say, or Muma. Yeah, no more free north honum no, slow honum no, be ye DC ye okume. Na, uti press conference na brofo ankrofo ne kano. Brofo no. Enye easy o. Chale, abrabo we mu, unya chance and I said, de bia ye sorry bia no, ubompaya, da, Nyankopon ase say, once upon a time, no, your president by a friend na Akufo-Addo.
Our very reason for this urgent press conference is because our integrity, demeanor, respect has been trampled upon and demeaned. Way forward, of course, an influential person and a former appointee within the party in NDC says he will never in his lifetime sit and watch a northerner ruled over him or lead him, no matter the circumstances or situation. Friends of the media, we are by this press conference indicating our displeasure for being insulted without any justifiable reason or cause. Friends of the media, the grassroots has a preferred candidate for the DC position. Devoid of insult, demeanor, tribalism, just to mention a few. Why am I saying this? How do I know? The traditional leaders have endorsed the preferred and best person for the DC position. 25 out of 27 of the constituency executives has endorsed the preferred and best person for the DCE position. The chiefs and imams, as well as leaders of settler communities within the constituency, have all endorsed this preferred person. The chiefs and imams of the Zongo community has endorsed this preferred and best person for the DCE position. Who is this preferred and best person for the DCE position for Kumau constituency? Friends of the media. He is in the person of Shamsu Huda. He has sacrificed so much for the party since 1996 to date. And so I ask, where were those claiming they won't allow Northerners to rule them? Where were they? His efforts, contributions, sacrifice in the party and the constituency is very well recognized by all. His efforts, contributions, sacrifice is not only recognized by the constituency, but also regional executives and some national executives as well. Friends of the media, permit me to ask, if NDC is given the DC position based on meritocracy, is Mr. Shamsu Huda not qualified to be the DC for Kumau? What disqualifies him from being the DC? If the grassroots endorses a person as the preferred and best candidate, is the NDC turning deaf ears to their request? Is the NDC giving appointments or positions based on origin, meaning where you come from? Is that what they are doing? No. Is this
because ignorance is ignorance, you know, very, very expensive, very, very costly and deadly. Now, small press conference at 3 minutes crown on nepa on me expressing you. On me expressing you. And the way go be saying now I'm choose President Mayo. Yet not na fiese o and na where I am say ni say yen to abanu mu nkofo amako choose President Amai. On me expressing you humpo. By no one say Takeshi brim. Takeshi. Yen tiu bia yen pinyu chobwe. That is it. And in the end, they have selected a presence that is ruling over you and I. And indeed, we are bearing the consequences. Say so consequences now. We are all bearing the consequences in one way or the other. And yet doom so by fire outbreak, and yet fire outbreak by your way. Yeah, we are insurance no and yet juma, juma. And that is the kind of country we are in now. Because people like this, people like the person who is the ringleader of this whole demonstration, Omako says party nyama party no says nyama breaking kunya. Debbie. Now, what at all is our politics becoming under NDC regime here? What is our politics becoming? When your politics no air drink chere. Mashani could near yen crop for ye. Who crow mukomu. Position inti. Position now be 4 years. A chair 4 years. Inti she. Cause says a party nyama. Now almost says no sir. People who are supposed to repair it, they'll be forced said they will steal some of our taxpayers' money to go and repair it. ABC wo almost she party office no. Breaking kunyano. It's not some more government abaymunte. They got money to go and quickly fix the whole place as if nothing had happened. That's kind of nano. If you be bottom, so ne pano so or find ways and means be tinika. This has been the political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.